Today we will do the cheese sambusa and the mixed vegetable sambusa. We have many foreigners in our country from India, Egypt, Palestine, and other nationality. This dish today, we take it from India. The sambusa, especially the one with the vegetables and curry. When it's come to our table and it's be one of our dishes, we put many other things like cheese, like meat, and it's become one of our Kuwaiti dishes. Spicy and delicious. Let's taste the cheese and the mint with some nice crunch when you eat it. You use the spring roll sheets. It is in the Japanese supermarkets. Even the cheese, you can use any fresh cheese or cheddar or ricotta, what you like, whatever you like it, you and your family. The black seeds, the one you see it in our home made cheese, it's the nigella. It's very healthy seeds. We can mix it together with the mint and we can put it in the sambusa papers. Other things, we have the mixed vegetable. You can first saute the onion and you add chopped small potato and mix vegetable. If you have frozen, it's good. If you don't have, you have the fresh one, is better and better. The spices for the vegetable is black pepper, turmeric, coriander, and cumin, salt, and that's it. And curry powder if you have. It will be more delicious.